Here is my video, Solid Waste Problem in Hong Kong. Hong Kong waste load have in general been increasing since 1986. The populations of Hong Kong grew by more than 1 million people and each person is throwing away more waste. Each year, Hong Kong citizens produce millions of tons of solid waste. The per capita disposal rate of Hong Kong was 1.27 kilograms per day, and 16% of the solid waste was disposed at landfills. This situation is creating a real strain of landfills. At the current rate of solid waste generations, the existing landfills will be excluded one by one in 2020. We may face a crisis in the following decades of having nowhere to throw the waste away. So you know that we are facing a crisis. How can we solve the solid waste problem? Normally, we have three choices. Solution 1. Landfills. Every day, thousands of tons of garbage from business, industry, and residents needs to be disposed. There are three geographical landfills, which is the key disposal site of Hong Kong. However, if we decided to use the landfill to solve the solid waste problem, the only thing we can do is extend the landfill area, which is only a temporary effort and will cause short-term effects. The root of the problem is still remain. We will need to extend the landfill for countless time and until the whole Hong Kong become the landfill and full of rubbish. Therefore, it is obvious that solution 1 is failed to solve the problem. Here's come to our solution 2, incinerations. For the incinerations, many people consider it as a key element to solve the solid waste problem. However, it actually harms the environment badly. It produces great amounts of pollution such as carbon dioxide and the dioxins that is not good for our health and the environment. Apart from that, as many Hong Kongers are NAMBI, not in my backyard, they don't want any waste management facility appear near them. So, the incinerator will no doubt that receive a backlash from the residents, and it become impossible for Hong Kong to build an incinerator. The solution to incineration failed. As the first two solutions both failed, here's come to our ultimate solutions, waste charging scheme. The waste charging scheme, which mainly refers to a quantity-based system that rate charge is according to the waste amount. This scheme has been some success in Taipei. By implementing the waste charging scheme, the recycle rate of Taipei has increased 60%. This scheme also suitable for Hong Kong current situation, as it put the full cost of managing solid waste on those people who generate solid waste in first place. This provides a clear linkage between the consumption and the environmental cost. Furthermore, as this scheme fully consistent with the polluter pays principles, it creates an economic incentive for citizens to do more on reducing the amount of solid waste in order to pay less. So, this scheme becomes a direct tool to train the citizen behavior. People will refrain their consumption and disposal behavior and become more care about the environmental consequences after implementing the scheme. Under the scheme, citizens not only in control of how much they pay for their waste, but more importantly, to play a part in reducing waste and protecting the environmental well-being of Hong Kong. I believe the waste charging scheme will be the best solution to tackle Hong Kong's waste problems. It is now the time to step up our efforts in tackling the solid waste problem. Thank you for your kind attention. Hope you enjoyed the video.